In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix the age restrictions on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It can be very frustrating when you're unable to watch certain videos, even though you're old enough. Fortunately, there is a very quick fix for this. Begin by opening up the YouTube app and tapping the U icon in the bottom right hand corner, and up at the top, just go ahead and click Google account. From here, you're going to wait for it to load just a little bit, and then tap the profile picture up at the top right to make sure that you're signed in to your main account. Once this loads, go ahead and tap on personal info up at the very top, and then scroll down until you find the birthday section. Go ahead and tap it and update your birthday to reflect the current age. If you're not over 18, I would suggest turning that up to something that is over 18, just so that you don't have to deal with those age restrictions anymore, but once again, it's completely up to you. Once it's updated, YouTube should lift the age restriction if you're over the required age. If this video did help though, consider subscribing and checking out the channel for more helpful tips. Have a good day.